Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And actually wanted to share with you a 2015 Ram 4x4. We just got it, putting it on the lot. Now this is the Bighorn in the family. So it's beautiful red color, tinted windows, beautiful interior, chrome running boards. We'll walk around here, showcase this to you. It's got a really nice bed liner installed in it. Let me back off here, show you the back of the truck. It does have a rear view camera right here. Back off, show you the bed liner in here. It's got a slider window in the back cab. There's the Bighorn emblem. Beautiful rims on this, good tread on the tires. Very nice looking truck. So let's go ahead, we'll open the back first. Does have a gray cloth interior. Headliner seems to be in excellent condition. Carpet's in excellent condition. Show you a two-toned door panels. Now one thing before we get inside, just want to let you know this truck does have heated mirrors on it, both sides, and it does have the turn signals that's built into your mirrors in addition to being up front, obviously. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the interior, then we'll hop up here in just a moment, show you the door panel up front and your controls here. Now you do have controls right here for your lighting system. So let's go ahead. Oh, also one other thing, you do have controls for your seat. So let's hop up here. And I'm going to grab the keys and we'll start this thing up. There's your Bighorn logo. So I'll back away, show you the steering wheel. Very nice feel to your steering wheel. And I'll zoom or get in a little bit closer. And as of today, the miles, 64,301 miles. So you do have audio controls here, Bluetooth that will connect to your phone, your smartphone. And then on this side, you do have your cruise control and gears up and down. So we'll pan over here. Now this is a cool feature. This is your gear shift. It's just a rotary dial. Very simple, very easy. And this is the section for the four-wheel drive and your two-wheel drive. It's really push button simple. Then we'll go over to your LCD command center. This is where you have access to all the various features that you have with this. And we'll pan down just a little bit, your heating and cooling system. And we'll go down here, and it does have heated seats. So that's very nice when we start getting into cold weather. And button right here, you do have a heated steering wheel. I actually used both of those features in my vehicle this morning. It was cold this morning, and I'm telling you what, I'm glad I had it. You get down here, you have a storage compartment, two cup holders, another storage compartment right there, and 12-volt plug-in. Now the storage right here is nice. You got multiple layers of it. You've got one on the top. You do have connectors right here for USB and another large port. Now if you close this, there's another latch below it, and you've got a deep storage area. Now we'll pan around, show you the back seat. There is very ample leg room that is in this truck. Center armrest does fold down. So one last thing, we'll show you up overhead, the controls overhead. But that's it. One other thing, it does have a rear view camera, so I'm going to depress the brake right here. I'm going to drop it down in reverse, and you'll see the backup camera fully engaged for your safety. Just rotate that back to park. It's that simple, guys, that simple. So if you're interested, if you're on the market for the truck, or you know somebody is on the market for a truck, please share this video and feel free to give us a phone call at area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.